Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've come down to Newark, we've got the whole team on site and we're going to be doing a 500 square metre gym for the guys at Code Fitness. So a mix of a few of our different tile types. Stay tuned and we're going to show you the whole process. One of the main benefits of using our modular flooring is you don't have to close the business down. So this is a busy gym, we're completing the floor while they're still in here, there's still customers working out, so no downtime for the business and one happy client. Ad, we've got a quick question for you. Have you been to the gym today?
Mate, I make gyms. I make them.
The gym's gone for a mix of our light grey vented tiles and our 20mm rubber tiles. So vented for the walkways and rubber for the weights areas. Right, so it's day two. We've got a big team up here at Code Fitness to get this finished off. So it's a 2-day job, 500 metres while the gym's still open with everything to move around. So stay tuned, let's see if we can get it finished off today. that's us all finished here at Code Fitness. Thanks for watching, guys. If you need any flooring for any home gym or commercial gym like this, give us a shout and we'll see you on the next video.